This is the new current marketing request tab, and the way you can mention somebody on the marketing team to let them know a request has been made is, for example, if Emily put in this request for more volunteer brochures in this tab where it says marketing person to fulfill request, she could highlight this cell and then go to insert comment, and she can just say hi at Ben, and anybody with the coachart.org email will show up on here, and you can say please see my request. Actually, I'm going to use my name as the example so you can see what it looks like in my inbox. See my request for brochures needed by 1:31. So then she would post the comment, and then in the person that she mentioned inbox, it should show up. So let me pull over my email and we'll see if it is there. I just am refreshing. And it's not there yet, but it should be. I will double check. So this is the way that we feel will be best to keep everything in one place so we can track what's been done, what still needs to be done, etc.